Now, as we get ready to jump into the course, let me give you a little overview so that you have a roadmap to see exactly where we're going and what we're going to cover. We're going to start the course off and we're going to talk about some very basic SQL Server fundamentals to make sure we're all on the same page. Then I want to talk about SQL Server's certifications for 2012. Microsoft has revamped their certifications for SQL Server, and I'll give you the heads up on that. Then I want to let you know what you need to be concerned about on the 70-463 exam and some things that you don't need to worry about in case you're a bit intimidated by such a topic as data warehousing. Then we'll do just a few videos on getting set up, how to download SQL Server, take a look at installing SQL Server. I'm going to show you how to attach the sample databases, where to get help and documentation on SQL Server, all of that sort of thing. Then I'll go over some basic data warehouse fundamentals about the data usage challenges and how we end up needing data warehouses, star schemas, snowflake schemas, granularity, all this sort of thing. Then we'll actually jump into creating a data warehouse. We'll talk about some auditing and lineage, talk about dimensions, slowly changing dimensions, fact tables, and then we'll create some dimensions, fact tables, databases, that sort of thing. We'll talk about indexing, all kinds of stuff through there. Almost said junk, but it's stuff, okay? Technical information. How about that? Then we'll talk about data flow using SSIS, or SQL Server Integration Services. Then from there, we'll talk about how to design and implement data flow. And then we'll talk about some advanced control flow things like using variables, and we'll talk about variable scopes and property parameterizations and those sorts of things. Then we'll talk about some data flow considerations that we need to be aware of. Then we'll jump into data quality services, master data services, and then we'll probably finish up talking about auditing and logging, and who knows what else we'll throw in here along the way. So we're going to cover a lot of information and help get you ready for this 70-463 exam. So let's get started.